Can I become a little more substantial, little more present? You may feel, no, I'm not present, no. I'm far away from being present. I'm dreaming around. I'm listening, but I don't listen to what I listen. Who knows this kind of thing? That we don't listen. So, and you will feel that I want to continue this way. It would mean a much greater responsibility, suchness. I am this way, I am listening. To my best possibility, I am with what is at the moment acute. Who feels that we are pretty superficial. So, really, being present is a very, very amazing thing. Getting out of the doing as if. Who knows this? Doing as if. And coming more to a real connection means business, a lot of business. And when you come, you go back from Santa Barbara, and you would say, oh, it was very beautiful in Santa Barbara. I've been getting lots of good food to eat. It was so beautiful, the landscape was so beautiful, and so on and so on. Somebody would ask, but what have you learned? And you would say, learned? What do you mean? The question of being there for what you are doing. With the first moment of awakening, being there for what you are doing. So it's a very demanding mistress sensing. Who likes it? Who fears us too much? Yeah, so I cannot change it. It is what it is, what it is. Will you say this? Yeah. It is what it is. What it is. Oh God. Yes, so I take it upon myself, feeling to which degree am I present, to which degree do I listen what I feel is happening, what could perhaps ring a bell in me and make me live differently when you are going home. That you don't say it was beautiful in Santa Barbara and continue to live the way you have been living. But it might change you. Everybody of us has a desire to be really understood. Who knows what that means? And it, when you are present, when we meet people and meet situations, we can feel whether we are open for really understanding what is happening and with whom we are speaking and what the attitude of the person is and how my response. Every moment is a moment of learning. It's not a moment of growing habits, but a moment of learning, and a moment of a newness of possibility to live in this world and do what I feel is needed to live in this world. You know, so this is, it's not comfortable. When you want to be comfortable, go to another address. When you want to come closer to the real connection with things, then you can stay here. And you will all see changes and needs for your own changes, which are necessary. So it means really our own devotion. No matter how difficult it may be, to come to a true connection with things and people, to have learned how patience can work, how attention can work, how what does not work. You know, when we expect from people things which we don't ourselves give, who knows this kind of thing? To expect everything from others, not giving them ourselves. So it means business. It means that we ourselves wake up and change, with whom we do something and against whom we do something and for what we are doing something. Feeling, is this really what I want? Is this really what feels important in my life and maybe to the life of others? So it would be very wonderful if you would try this out for yourself and learn from it. Because, you know, Stefan and I are not always with you. But your own consciousness is always with you. And you can learn from your own experiences what is needed to reach another person, to be there for a situation. No matter how difficult it may be to be there for a situation. To really mean business, as we call it. Yeah. So if you would have nothing else from this work in Santa Barbara, to listen more carefully to other people and to feel what is needed for the other and for the world and to attend to it would be wonderful.